Chapter 3 Introduction to C++. C++ is one of the object-oriented languages. The C++ programming language was developed at AT&T Bell Laboratories in the early 80s by Benjamin Strostrup. In object-oriented programming, the characteristics of an object are represented by its data and its behavior is represented by its functions associated. Therefore, this object represents an entity that can store data and has its interface through functions. Identifiers. Identifiers are the variables as in QBasic. C++, like all languages, have rules for defining variables, constants, and function names. In C++, all identifiers must begin with a letter, that is, small a to z, or capital A to z, or an underscore. Upper and lower case letters are different. C++ is case sensitive as it treats upper and lower case characters differently. The following are the examples of identifiers: marks, name, student name, item code, and price. The identifiers, function names, constants, and variables should be named meaningfully. An identifier should not have the same name of language keywords. Data types. All computer languages provide variables for storing information in memory. Data types are the types of data associated with the variables. The following are the two types of data: fundamental and derived.
Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types are the actual data represented in memory. There are 5 fundamental data types in C++, that is, character, integer, float, double, and void. INT data type for integers. Integers are represented in C++ by INT data type. CHAR data type, that is used for characters. They are set of characters consisting of 52 upper and lower case alphabets. The digits 0 to 9 and the special symbols like plus, minus, multiply, hash, upon, is equal to, comma, full stop, underscore, semicolon, question mark, right slash, at the rate, hash, dollar, %, etc. Float data type for decimal numbers. A number having a fraction part is a floating point number. The decimal indicates that a number is a floating point number and not an integer. Double data type for long decimal numbers. A long fractional number is stored in this type of data type. Void data type for empty set of values. The void data type is used as a return type for the variables, which are not returning anything.
Derived data types. From the fundamental data types, we can derive other data types using declaration operators. Some derived data types are array, functions, pointers, classes, structures, etc. Header files. These files are found in compilers, include subdirectory. All the header files have extension .h. The #include directive instructs the compiler to include the contents of the file and closed within angular brackets into the source file. All the functions are prototyped in these header files like stdio.h, stdlib.h, string.h, math.h, etc.
Functions. Functions are the building blocks of C++. All C++ programs are comprised of one or more functions. A function is identified by a function name and a function body. In C++, a function must be defined before it is used anywhere in the program. Type function name. In bracket, parameter list. Opening brace, body of a function, and then closing brace. Type. The type of value that a function returns. Function. It is the name of the function. Parameter. Comma separated list of variables of the function referred to as its arguments.
C++ comments. The /* begins the comment and the */ ends the comment. It also has another comment format, that is /. Wherever this // appears, everything to the end of the line is a comment. In the above program, you can see that the output has not changed even after adding the comment with /.
Operator. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical calculations. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Arithmetic operators are plus, which means addition, minus, which means subtraction, star, which means multiplication, /, which means division, %, which means modulus or remainder, ++ means increment, and -— means decrement. Relational operators are greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Logical operators are double ampersand means and operation. Double vertical bar means or operation. Exclamation mark means not operation.
Switch case. This statement successively tests the values of an expression against a list of integer or character constants. When a match is found, the statements associated with that constant are executed. Switch statement is used mostly in menu options. The syntax is switch expression, the braces start, case constant 1, statement sequence 1, break, case constant 2, statement sequence 2, break, case constant 3, statement sequence 3, break, the braces close.